In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do error handling in Power Automate. Error handling is a crucial part of any automation process as it helps you manage unexpected situations effectively, ensuring your workflows continue to run smoothly. When something goes wrong, having a plan in place can make all the difference between a minor hiccup and a significant disruption. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to configure error handling in Power Automate using the Run After feature, a key component to build resilient flows. First, let's look at the scenario where you have a series of actions in your flow. When adding these actions, there's always a possibility that one of them might not execute as planned. That's where configuring Run After comes into play. After you add an action in your flow, click on the ellipsis, or the three-dot menu, which you'll find on the subsequent action. This will bring up a list of options. Choose Configure Run After. This opens up a range of conditions you can set for your flow. You'll be presented with options such as is successful, has failed, is skipped, and has timed out. These options allow you to specify what should happen following each of these conditions. Let's say you want to handle a scenario where an action has failed. You can use this configuration to dictate the next steps in your flow, whether you want to send an email notification about the error, log the error details for review, or even continue the process in an alternative way. Selecting the Has Failed option in your configuration will enable your flow to take an alternate action if the previous action encounters a problem. This not only helps in maintaining the flow's integrity, but also ensures that you are alerted to any issues as soon as they occur, enabling quicker resolutions and minimal downtime. It's important to take a moment to consider what kind of actions you might want to initiate in the event of a failure. Sending an error email is a common choice, as it allows you to stay informed and respond promptly. Logging the error details can be invaluable for troubleshooting, providing you with the necessary information to identify and correct the issue. As we wrap up, remember that error handling is not just about dealing with problems, it's about preparing for them. By anticipating potential points of failure and configuring your flows to respond intelligently, you can reduce frustration and increase the reliability of your automated processes. Take the time to thoughtfully consider the conditions under which your actions will execute, and prepare your response plans to ensure that your Power Automate workflows are robust and well-prepared for any challenge they might encounter. This thoughtful setup process is integral in creating powerful, efficient automation that works seamlessly, even when the unexpected happens.